Girls like me are like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I send them my devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they self me out and then they ghost.
Hey y'all, welcome back. So here your girl is sitting up here finna make her second rug, okay? And this time I did not feel like dealing with that projector because boy oh boy it be blowing me. So I just decided to make my own design. So here I am drawing it out on a burlap. Okay, you know, a little abstract thing I got going on here right now. And now I'm going ahead and with the tufting gun to do the outline. So now I just got it flipped for you guys so you guys can see how it looked on the other side. This is the real side of the rug, the nice and furry and fuzzy side of the rug, the cute side of the rug, okay? Yes. So I was geeked, ain't did nothing but the outline though. So now comes some fun part, filling it in. So I started off with the pink, and I'm just gonna go in and fill in all the pink parts first, then the next color, then the next color. That's how I look when I impress myself. This is the excitement for me, yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Bow, 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 bow. Y'all see that rug? So now I'm putting on the carpet adhesive. I really didn't know what the heck I was doing at this point. So I just tried my best to try to get it smooth. And yeah, you see how that worked out. So now I'm going to cut little strips all around the rug so I can go ahead and seal those edges down so the carpet would be nice, have a nice, you know, neat edge. And now I'm putting on the felt, well, measuring out so I could put the felt on. And what I have right there is some adhesive spray, so I just sprayed that on the rug itself and on the felt, and you know, rubbed it down. And finally, now I'm taking these shavers and I'm just kind of trying to even out the whole rug, and that is it.